it. Like, last chance. If you want to look super studly this summer, gentlemen, time is of the essence. And if you give me 37 days, I'm going to help you look more muscular by summer. So I can't promise you six-pack abs by summer. I can't promise you a Greek god-like body, because it's not something that happens overnight. But the good news is that by doing some simple things, actually it's not simple. If it was simple, you'd already be doing it. By doing specific things systematically and consistently for the next 30 days, you are going to be amazed at how much better you look, how much more confident and comfortable you feel taking your shirt off. It all starts with step number 1. Commit. You have got to commit to this. If you're not ready, if you don't want to do it, if you think you might, then it. Don't do it. Like, seriously, don't even worry about it. It's not for you. No big deal. I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Drop a thumbs up if you don't mind, and I'll see you next time. If you're committed, it's time to crush this shit, because it's not that complicated. It's not that complex, but you gotta commit. If you don't have commitment, it's not worth even starting, because you're only going to fail at something again. The second step is determining your baseline. You know, I said like 37 at the beginning and then 30 days. Okay, so here's the deal. For the next 7 days, 1 week, we need to determine where you're starting from. This includes your workouts. This includes your diet. You gotta know where you're starting from. You need a baseline in order to develop a program around that and make changes. For the next 7 days, I want you to track everything. Write down your workout, what day you're working out, what body part, how many reps, how many sets, the weights that you're using. Write down everything. Whether or not you're a skinny dude trying to add a little beef, a little bulk, or you're somebody who is a little bit overweight or has a high body fat percentage, even if you're skinny fat, it's important that you know exactly what you're eating every single day. And while you're figuring out how many calories you're consuming, let's figure out how many calories you need, or the total daily energy expenditure. If you go to our bodybuilding.com landing page, which will be linked down below, there's a link for a calculator to actually figure it out. This calculator is really cool. You plug in your age, you talk about if you're male or female, how tall you are. I'm 5'6". Weight, I'm 152 pounds. And then you choose your activity level. I would say I'm very active, moderate exercise, and active job. And then it calculates. For me, I need 2,298 calories a day. Calculator is totally free. It will be linked down below on our bodybuilding.com landing page. So go and calculate. And then after you calculate, what I would recommend is watch the video I did talking about the 10 best supplements to build a better body. That video goes over 10 supplements that, in my opinion, are incredibly beneficial. Whether or not you're trying to lose body fat, you're trying to gain muscle mass, or you just want to be healthy. Because in my opinion, every single person should take a multivitamin just to get the basic nutrients that everybody needs. Because our diets suck, and regardless of how well or healthy you eat, you're always deficient in something. And if you guys are looking for an incredible multivitamin, guys, the new chapter is what I take. It's one a day. That vitamin, along with all the other supplements that I personally love, will be listed once again on our bodybuilding.com landing page. There's also a discount code, which is super sweet, to give you an even better deal on an already amazingly priced products. Guys, bodybuilding.com, best place, in my opinion, to go for incredible gear, workout advice, and supplements. The third step is plan your program. In the week leading up to the start of your 30 days, I want you to develop a plan. This includes a workout plan. This also includes a diet. Now, you may already have an incredible workout plan, but you might not be super consistent. What I want you to do is really commit to that workout plan for the next 30 days. In my opinion, what you should be shooting for is 4 days of weights in the gym. And if you're looking to lose body fat, what I would also recommend is adding 5 to 7 days of cardio. All right, 30 minutes minimum. But at the end of the day, it's really about calories. Speaking of calories, let's now talk about your diet plan. You've got to plan that out as well. To lose 1 pound of fat, you need to reduce your calories by 3,500. Add 1 pound of muscle, you need to add an additional 3,500 calories. Remember, the first week we were keeping track of the calories, figuring out how many we're consuming. And then in order to lose 1 pound of fat, you need to reduce your weekly calories by 3,500. I don't even care what you're eating. Remember, it's about calories in and calories out. How many calories are you consuming versus how many you're burning or using? And so, in my opinion, it's a lot easier to eat less and burn more in order to get that reduction in calories. To lose body fat, you need a deficit of calories. You need to burn more than you're consuming. The flip side, if you're trying to pack on the pounds, you need to consume more than you burn. burn. And if you guys are looking for a workout plan or diet plan, guys, right now bodybuilding.com is giving you a 7-day free trial to All Access, where you have access to over 60 different plans. You have mine, but you've got a lot of other incredible fitness experts and professionals. It's free, totally free. 7 days, guys. Hit that link, go check it out, sign up today and get a plan, both workout and diet. You guys out there looking to cut your calories, one diet hack I will give you is replace one of your meals with the Alpha Shake. If you guys like vanilla milkshakes, you are going to freak out over this protein shake. It has 25 grams of protein. It's only about 200 calories and only like 6 grams of carbohydrates. What you're going to be doing is using the unsweetened vanilla almond milk. 30 calories per 1 cup. I'm using about 1.5 cups. And then I'm taking 1 heaping scoop of vanilla protein. Technically, it's birthday cake, but it is so freaking incredible. Then what I will be adding is about a teaspoon of vanilla extract right there. Then I'm gonna be adding 2 packs of sweetener. This whole earth sweetener is actually sweetened with monk fruit. Then fill the rest with a little bit of water. Top on. Take off the cap and enjoy. Now, if you're somebody who has a sweet tooth like me, after dinner, it's always the worst. What I'd recommend is grab a protein bar. If you guys are looking for the best tasting protein bar, like literally, the bodybuilding.com protein bars are next level delicious. So at this point, you're committed. You know where you're starting from, and you've got a plan on how to move forward. Now, gentlemen, it's time to get down to business. For the next 30 days, you need to execute the shit out of your plan. But you also need to monitor and adjust. In my opinion, what you should do is every single morning when you wake up, same time, is get on the scale. It's important to get a scale that weighs you in tenths of a pound, because some scales, especially digital ones, only do like half pound. It's important for motivational purposes to know what's happening with your body. And don't get all like crazy if you see like some fluctuations. Like one day you get on, you're like, yes! The next day you get on, you're like, crap, I gained a pound. Gentlemen, chances are you didn't gain a pound and you're retaining water. Take an average. Over the course of a week, over the course of 2 weeks, it should be going down or up depending on what you're looking to do. And if it's not, it's time to adjust. Either your calories are too high, too low, or you need to work out a little harder. And last, but certainly not least, the 5th step in the Alpha M 30-day to a better body by summer plan is keep going. Don't you stop. Like, don't stop. 30 days. That's all, gentlemen. It's 4 weeks. My God. Can you imagine where you'd be if you didn't stop from the last time you tried to do something? Gentlemen, make a commitment. This is the day. This is the time to stop making excuses. The only thing standing in between you and success and looking fine as hell this summer is you. Remember, gentlemen, fitness is a personal journey. It doesn't matter what other people are doing. It doesn't matter what other people look like. This is an internal thing. It's about you. But I promise you something. If you stick to this program and this plan for the next 30 days, you're going to be amazed at how much better you look, how much better you feel, and how amazing you become.